At Durability Engineers and Renewable, we're committed to supporting the Biden-Harris administration's goal of a net zero emissions economy by 2050. Our approach focuses on transforming one of the heaviest carbon emitters, the cement and concrete industry. Concrete is an essential building material, and it's the second most consumed material in the world, second only to water. The concrete industry contributes to 8% of the total global carbon emissions, largely due to cement production. For decades, the concrete industry has implemented byproducts from coal-burning power plants and steel manufacturing. However, the availability and quality of these byproducts has decreased, and therefore, the search for a viable, long-term alternative solution continues.
At Durability Engineers, we're experts in concrete. We have decades of experience evaluating novel materials and their incorporation in concrete mixtures.
We have developed an innovative solution, repurposing decommissioned wind turbine blades into a high-quality, sustainable replacement for cement and concrete. We call it ground blade fibers, or GBF. Since winning the initiate phase of the DOE wind turbine recycling competition, we've made significant strides in testing concrete with GBF added. We found that GBF not only serves as a viable cement replacement, but also enhances the strength and durability of the concrete.
When incorporated in traditional concrete mixtures, it can actually improve the strength and durability of the concrete, thereby increasing the longevity of the structure and reducing maintenance costs and reducing the carbon footprint associated with those maintenance repairs.
We're seeking to create a mobile recycling process to decommission and convert blades into GBF on site. Today, nearly 8,000 wind turbine blades are decommissioned per year. These blades mostly end up in landfills, further contributing to carbon emissions through costly transportation and disposal. Through on-site mobile processing, we create a circular economy between the concrete and wind energy industries, significantly reducing carbon emissions and transportation costs in both sectors. We're excited to operationalize our mobile processing solution and refine our concrete mixture proportions, making GBF a reality. It's an exciting time for the industry. At Durability Engineers and Renewable, we are eager to partner together in developing a sustainable, long-term solution benefiting the concrete and wind industry as a whole.